CV is a piece of paper that will introduce you to an unknown person before you actually met them. It should include your personal data like your name, your skills, your experience, and showcase bit of your personality. This video series will go through each element in detail to create best CV possible for you from start of your career to the retirement. The start of the series shall discuss general CV format, which shall be useful for everyone. The series will then lean towards civil engineers field and then become more and more targeted for each field, like structural engineer or project manager, as we go down this road. CV, also known as curriculum vitae, is derived from Latin meaning course of life. In this, we are supposed to write our journey of life, more specifically, our skills development journey for field that we are applying for. It used to be written all by hand, then typewriters, then digitally on programs like MS Word. Nowadays, it can be created from online websites by filling text boxes and uploading pictures. So, while creating our CV, we should make sure that it follows a certain format so that it can be easily be auto-read by websites when we upload for auto-filling text boxes so we can apply for jobs faster. Now, without further ado, let's get started on the basics of CV.